I'm Dustin.
And I'm Wesley.
And we're the Wayward Wags. We've been doing the YouTube thing for about 4.5 years now.
Yeah.
But we've been full-time on the road for a little over 4 years. And I'm retired Army, and
I'm retired DOD employee.
which is the Department of Defense. So she works for the Army. We decided to come to the NRVTA because we know nothing
Absolutely.
about RVs, how they work, but we wanted to be more knowledgeable about that stuff.
We did.
Unfortunately, back in 2005, when I was deployed to Iraq, I was involved in an IED blast, and I have a head injury. So I have cognitive issues, and I have short-term memory issues. Because of my brain injury, I am a visual learner.
Very hands-on.
I need to see what's going on. It's great to sit in front of a classroom where they're explaining everything. She gets that part. The hands-on part's where I get it. And then the repetition of doing it over and over again, that's how I learn. I will tell you this, if you are thinking about wanting to get more knowledge about your RV, or if you are thinking about becoming a tech or an inspector or a solar installer or anything past just learning about your own rig, this is the place to go. So now, having come here, when I have a tech come out and they say, hey, I went to the NRVTA, I'm like, okay, cool. You're good.
You're good. You're
I trust you
qualified.
now. Because I know, I've seen it firsthand, that they were trained properly, they have the equipment, they have the knowledge, and they have the tools to get the job done properly.